Hi guys, in today's video we will be unboxing the trauma shears by Leatherman. It is called the Leatherman RAPTOR. The Leatherman RAPTOR has 6 tools. It is as you can see in the box, it says multi-purpose shears. Inside it has a holster. For first aid responders or medical responders, I believe this is a must-have EDC. So far what I reviewed, the Leatherman RAPTOR is on the top notch of all the trauma shears available in the market. So let's open. So inside we have the holster, then we have the tool, then we have the manual. It has instructions on how to use. It mentions all the tools inside. So first let's check the holster. The holster looks very nice and sturdy. So I believe if you adjust this, you can adjust it to any position you want. And this clip, you can see this. This clip can fit on your belt or in the molly. So depending on your configuration, you can adjust this through here. Okay. The shear itself is big or huge, which is very nice. So as you can see, there is a measurement here somewhere, if you can see it. So it is very useful while cutting. And then here, as you can see, this is called a ring cutter. So you will insert this inside the ring and you will cut. There is also a screw here that will loosen up while using it. So after several uses it will loosen up. But the good thing is you can adjust it, you can tighten it. So the back also the same thing. Here we have the seat belt cutter, and also it can also be used to tear light clothings. Then we have this locking mechanism, so it stays locked. You can press this, then it is unlocked. This one is an oxygen tank, can be used for the oxygen tank. Oxygen tank screw. Then we have a belt clip. Now to fold the RAPTOR, you have to press this. So as you can see, it's locked. So you have to press that one and this one. Then you have a folded RAPTOR, Leatherman RAPTOR. Then you have this glass breaker, and of course lanyard hole. So to test the holster, so if it's folded, you can do like this. Okay, so it stays in place. You cannot easily remove it. So to remove it, you have to press this, or you can just pull it. Okay. If you want to use the holster without folding the RAPTOR, you can just directly slide it in. It stays locked, so you can press this and remove it, and just slide it in and it stays locked. If you want to remove, you can just press, or if you want it folded, you can just slide it like this using the belt clip, and that's it.